Ever had a stranger cut in line at the grocery store? Or someone text you nonstop after a single meeting? Those moments probably left you annoyed, frustrated, or even creeped out. Why?
Why? Because they violated your expectations and not in a good way. Today, we're diving into expectancy violations theory to explore how breaking social norms can backfire. This theory is developed by communication scholar Judy K. Burkon. It explains how we react when people do things we don't expect. It can be positive or negative for us. But here's the kicker. Unexpected behaviors aren't always welcome. Sometimes it can create distrust, discomfort, or even conflict. So number one is expectancy. This is what we assume will happen in a given situation. So for example, in elevator, we expect people to face forward. Now imagine someone turning to stare at you. Creepy, right? The number two is the violation balance. The violation balance is the positive or negative value we place on the unexpected behavior. So regardless of who does it, this is how we evaluate the unexpected behavior, positive or negative. The last one is the communicator reward balance. So the communicator reward balance, it is the sum of the positive and negative attributes that the person brings. So this is how much we value the person breaking our expectations. And sometimes when those people that break the expectation is we dislike them or we don't know them well and they violate our expectations, we are more likely to react negatively. In short, expectancy violations theory reminds us how powerful and at the same time dangerous it is to break someone's expectations. So, a small misstep can create discomfort or even strain relationships and sometimes create more conflict.